Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with inspiring inputs. To the world, you may be just a teacher, but to your students, you are a hero. The good teacher makes the poor student good and the good student superior. Better than 1,000 days of diligent study is one day with a great teacher. Those that know, do. Those that understand, teach. The average teacher explains complexity. The gifted teacher reveals simplicity. The mediocre teacher tells. The good teacher explains. The superior teacher demonstrates. The great teacher inspires. Teaching kids to count is fine, but teaching them what counts is best. The teacher who is indeed wise does not bid you to enter the house of his wisdom, but rather leads you to the threshold of your mind. A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of learning. 9/10 of education is encouragement. I touch the future. I teach. I am not a teacher, but an awakener. Teaching is the greatest act of optimism. Children must be taught how to think, not what to think. I like a teacher who gives you something to take home to think about besides homework. A teacher affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops. The greatest sign of success for a teacher is to be able to say, "The children are now working as if I did not exist." A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Children learn more from what you are than what you teach. Your worst enemy is your best teacher. Education is the key to success in life, and teachers make a lasting impact in the lives of their students. It is the supreme art of the teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge. One good teacher in a lifetime may sometimes change a delinquent into a solid citizen. It is easier to build strong children than to repair broken men. Teaching is more than imparting knowledge. It is inspiring change. Learning is more than absorbing facts. It is acquiring understanding. Do not believe what your teacher tells you merely out of respect for the teacher. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a good day.